Hello buddies, and today we are going to load a small block machine QT4 and with the concrete mixer with the ladder here with the ladder. So the function of the ladder is to transfer up the raw material up to the mixer inside and mixing. And although the situation now in the world is very terrible, but also some of our customers also needed the block machine to be shipped as soon as possible. So today we are going to to prepare the block machine and concrete mixer and load into container to ship it to our customer. Anyhow, what I think is the terrible situation of the coronavirus in the world will be getting better, and finally it will be closed. It will be a rush away. So I think everything will be recovered after some times with everybody's hard work for fighting for the coronavirus. At the same time, we just want to say God bless you, all of the people in the world, and I want to say to all of the gardeners in different countries, for now, please just pay the attention onto the coronavirus situation. Don't just want to tell your people try to recover your economy and development instead of the deaths of the people, the health of the people. I don't think that's good things for the Ghana to manage a country. If you cannot keep the healthy and the life of the people, who can give you the power to develop in the economy? So China government and all of the Chinese people take use of more than 2 months. Take use of 2 months, nothing to do, just want to fight off the coronavirus. So now we think the situation of the spreading of the coronavirus in China is closed in the future. So I believe the terrible situation of the coronavirus in other countries will be closed also. With everybody's support, with everybody and the hard work and the real solid wills to fight off the coronavirus. Finally, we will fight off the coronavirus, and everything will be normal as before in some days. this model of block machine is our QT4-25, which is also a fully automatic block making machine, and easy to be operated, and is a nice choice for the small investment for the block production. You see the color is beautiful, the painting is very nice. I want to show you the painting details. It's very nice. So now the concrete mixer is already loaded inside. And my dear customer and good friends and brothers, and in order to prevent the coronavirus to spread in any chances, now before we loading, and we are going to spreading the disinfectant to try to kill all of the coronavirus. But you know, but as you know, the coronavirus will not be alive after 3 days, because you know the coronavirus normally will be infected by people with cough, with you know the not by air. So what I think is it's not necessary for you to worry about whether the coronavirus will be infected, will be attached on the products like some cargo or like some, you know, if your hand touch it, you will get to be infected. No way. So we get to know the coronavirus normally will be infected by the, you know, complete touch it, and normally, you know, mostly possible is infected by the cough. So, but before we loading, now we are going to spreading the disinfectant and some wire, you know, the medical wire, to try to killing the virus inside the container.